Listen to that cop car purr. Views from the cop car. Look at that. Wow. We bedazzled today, y'all. She ain't gonna say nothing. Yeah. I heard we get some new tires. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I'm in the opposition car. Which one's better to y'all, Ford or Dodge? No, I'm just kidding. I can't cap. I wanted a Mustang before I got the Charger. I like all cars. Hurry up and get these new tires for her. We went from red to blue. Y'all see that? Wow. Another day. 19 degrees. Back-to-back cold POVs, man. What the? It always just be randomly. I'm like, what the heck going on? Come on, school bus. Come on, kids, so let's go. Yeah. Cut up in the cop car. Y'all gonna see in a second why I call it a cop car. Or in a little bit. I mean, y'all can see from the thumbnail. He's driving that sheriff car. That man's lights purple? I think I just saw a Chevy with purple backup lights today. So this is the view from the feds. We just ain't got no prison in the back. Said no copyright. Wow.
Yeah.
Said we ain't getting paid just yet anyway, but that helps. Look at that. They're building a casino. They ain't building nothing but just traffic for us. Dang, look at that man. He all frosty at the top. He the only man out here looking with that much frost on this car. That's crazy. Oh look, it's a battery. But yeah, man, we gonna go get these tires for her. Then we gonna get some, what is it, small cakes at Small Cakes place. She trying to have me walk in 22-degree weather. 20-degree weather. Come on, battery, move out the way.
Hey, I suggested IHOP too.
Nah. Well, nah. Last time we had IHOP, y'all. Why you laughing? Did I just say IHOP? But last time we had IHOP, we had an omelet. You know, we felt sick afterwards. I don't know what happened.
He thought I pooped myself.
Yeah, we ain't even gonna talk about that story. It was just things she said, but yeah, man, I don't know what. Maybe they don't put their big toe in the omelet. I don't know what happened.
That was horrible.
We just felt sick after that. So we gonna get some cupcakes instead this time. We ain't getting no IHOP. They ain't too bad, but it's like 10 green. Bobias. Okay, sorry. I was trying to fight the urge. Y'all see it. I'm just kidding. I saw the electric Escalade yesterday. That new one, I didn't like it. road again. Down this road again. When it snows, we're gonna get a video of her, woman right there, sliding in the snow. You down?
Yes.
It's fun. There goes another super crusty, ice crusty man or woman. Yeah, we're gonna get a video of her sliding in the snow. It's fun sliding in the car. Like feeling like you're out of control, but you in control, but you're out of control. Look at all these crusty peoples. I don't even know if they can see that. I still want to get that thing, that headgear, so I can just, let me see. If I had that headgear, it'd be like this, low key. So, yeah. So I don't have to hold camera. But I'm not holding the camera, that's just allegedly. Yeah. Word. I'm getting tired. Getting itchy on my booty. No, I'm just kidding. Never mind. Look at this man. Look at this man. You better keep going. You better keep it going. Oh, a little bit. It wouldn't have gotten your car in for another half hour anyway.
True. Right.
That's why this is gonna be a rushing POV. We're gonna try to rush on one-way street, but come on, like, I wonder what they doing here. They've been doing this for like how long? Here we go. It's the other side, but yeah, no. Well, I still got like eye boogers. I woke up, what, half an hour ago? Barely. She said, when I woke up, she said, babe, it's time to go. I think I'm gonna have to check for Adams. No, I'm just kidding. What? Why is this man swinging and banging? What's this man going? He said a cop.
Right there, turning.
Why would we be scared? We in a federal mobile. He see the sign on it. I'm gonna start honking. They don't know it's me.
That guy's looking at you.
Ooh.
That white man sitting at the red light.
Oh. I was honking at this cold. It's too cold. You got me getting on my nerves. I'm not gonna take it. What the heck? Is that the Death Star? That's what it's called, right? Isn't that in Star Wars, the Death Star? Why is that a holiday decoration? Oh, that man's had a Bears flag on the outside of his house. We gonna burn that. Bear suck. Gotta keep it honest. The veterinary. That's a cool looking roof. I wouldn't live in it, but it looked cool. Oh my goodness, is that my ops? Is that my enemies? Y'all see them? Oh my goodness.
Pay attention down.
Oh my God, yeah, look at it. They said, hey man, we all late to the Thanksgiving party, but we... My enemy. Get a Jake Paul, Mike Tyson. It's gonna be me and them. Let me focus on the road before I get angry. What the? Sometimes them geese be acting like they fell out of a coconut tree. But this ain't even rushing. We can't even rush with this one lane streets. Should I turn left or are you going straight? Go through that light.
Whatever's faster.
I feel like this way is faster. Let me see. Because then at least we can have more than one lane. Cut through like where Target's at and all that. All that snazzy stuff.
Yeah, we're a little late.
Just a little bit.
Just a little.
A minute. Y'all know how them places be like discount tire and all that. They don't even get to your car till the time they said they'd be done. So, oh, they building a Dunkin' right there. I was wondering.
A what?
Well, it's like
that
more than
big?
one.
Oh,
No, it's more than
was
one.
One big Dunkin'.
What they got? Yeah.
There's too many Dunkins.
Citizens arrest. I'm gonna pull you over in the cop car. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah, no. No, I'll stop. On the road again. Dang. Y'all got the sun. Let me pull back real quick. Let me see. Okay, we Gucci. Y'all see that bedazzled steering wheel popping? You see it? Clean, clean. Clean, clean, clop. Oh yeah, you look at that. That was the car right there. That's in front of us. That coupe, that Mitsubishi coupe. That was the car I was trying to buy in stick shift. Did not even have the slightest clue about stick shift. Well, I had some type of idea how to drive it. I did not buy that car. The repair shop that was trying to sell it to me, he saw me struggling to even move it. He was like, yeah, nah, let me drive it. I'm gonna test drive it for you. I was like, all right. Because of Need for Speed. Was it Need for Speed? I think it was Midnight Club. Yeah, it was Midnight Club in LA. I had that car. So I wanted it in real life. It's kind of an ugly car, but it's okay. Yes, sir. That man turned like that. Yep, that was the car. Oh, I might as well just keep straight if I can make this green.
Do it the same.
I was trying to push it.
You're gonna have to cut that.
It's okay. We have no shame here. Get you a ST, a Ford Focus ST. That'd be nice. Have two Fed mobiles. I remember I applied for this place, the PPP loan. They did not answer me back. You saw what?
This is architecture.
looks like some paint place. You know, the PPG paints. I was trying to apply for a PPP loan. Ugh. That is. I can't even. That looked like just a bunch of names. I didn't even say what it was. Veritiv. I don't know what that is. One time, when I used to have just a bike, I rode my bike over here with traffic going over this bridge. That was scary. I ain't gonna lie. You know, we almost there. We almost there. Please discount tire. Can you give me some free wheels, discount tire? My wheels look a little regular. Can you give me some tires and wheel discount tire? Cause I'm sick and tired. Yeah, we done made it. My honest. Oh, I don't know.
What the?
What is going on? They having a swap meet over here. Everybody and their mama trying to get some tires. No, we going around, yo.
What the heck?
It's because of the cold weather. Everybody's tires lose.
Bleeding and stuff.
Yeah.
Move over. We have appointments.
We VIP. Look, a Honda. I got you on video. Get out of here. I can park it over. Oh.
Yeah, right here.
Right here.
Oh, it's a little light.
Yeah, we gonna park over there.
Yeah.
Sir, are you smoking? 'Cause if you are,
Everybody's parking on stupid. This truck.
bro.
Just park over there.
Everybody named mama here and everybody named mama parking bad. That man's got deflated tires.
The Suburban park better than all them other cars.
Ooh. Should I just go over there? It's less tight over here. I'll park all the way in the corner. Here we
So
go.
they pull it in.
Here we go. Yeah, then they park next to where's the parker?
Yeah, I'm gonna go check it in because.
Let's go. That was your the wheels on the bus go round and round. Let me see. Get my coat. Yes, sir. We done made it. Mobile. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. She got a little nice car though. Fun fact, I picked out those wheels for her. Fun fact, I picked out those wheels for her. But yeah, let's go inside. She done already went inside. Let's go. They are busy. So I guess we'll see y'all when we on the way to Small Cake. All right, so we changed our mind because Small Cakes is closed, but we got a little bit of some IHOP, you know what I'm saying? Get some IHOP today done. Turtle chip pancakes. Whatever she had. Eggs and pancakes with a lemonade. Orange juice. Wait, I'm gonna do this. She got new tires, isn't it pretty? It's pretty. All right, y'all, she back on the road again with some fresh new tires. We went to IHOP. We gonna go to IHOP again, man. The IHOP was kind of nasty. The waitress or whatever, she was just giving me everything was just But yeah, man, it's gonna be the end of this video. Closing out in the Federal Mobile, in the cop car. You got anything to say?
That IHOP sucks.
True that. But I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace out.